I really used to go to the LGBT center like every single day. Now that I think about it, not because I go there to just hang out with my friends, but the resources I use, for example, the quiet room.
ASP, the community, there was always students and staff encouraging us to go to certain workshops, programs. There's leadership programs. There's always like free food events where we get to, as a community, enjoy it.
I would probably say, so the Women's Resource Center was perfect because there was people in and out, and I feel like it was where I got a lot of my work done and I was really focused there. So yeah, definitely the Women's Resource Center.
Probably one of the biggest resources I used at UCR was the art tutoring. I went almost weekly.
I think I definitely miss the student life office. Just a super supportive environment, and it's just a nice little corner on campus where students can feel safe.
An important one is CARE. Whenever I've been really stressed, CARE is always there for help me out. I really appreciate them.
The gym for sure, because I don't exactly have one here, and then also basic AC because I also don't have it here, and working out with how hot it's been in SoCal,
the commuters lounge. I kind of miss it. I feel like I had my own space. I could sleep there if I wanted to, rest. Now at home, I feel like I don't have any alone time. Everyone's always coming into my room at all times.
The art building, they have a lot of open music practice rooms in the basement. And I play piano and I go down to the basement and I use their piano rooms. I definitely miss that. I don't get to go and play on a real piano anymore. I just have a very bad electronic keyboard and it's not the same feeling. I was really blessed that the school gave me that opportunity to play on a real piano because I never really get exposure on that.
Orbach library, if anything. I'm anybody else, so Orbach, third floor, man, that's the spot. That's the kicking spot. When you're trying to go up there and study, you're trying to get that little quiet section by the windows. I really do miss the library.